Today I'm gonna make a quick video on this master combination lock. Alright, so today's video is gonna be simply how to change the combination on there. You can change it to any numbers that you want. As long as you have the right combination to begin with, open it, turn it over, close it back down. Then you're able to move these numbers and change it to anything that you want. So there, it's closed. And as you can see, I am changing the numbers. Now it's 4000. Go ahead and open this up, close it down, and it should open. There it is, open. We'll move it back down to 0, which that's the code that it was. There it is. It is now locked. Can't open that sucker. Move it to 4. There it is. So all you simply do is turn it around, lock it into place. Then you're able to switch the combination. Go ahead and put this back to 0. And this needs to be this way in order for this to work. A little hard single-handedly, but there it is. All zeros, and it opened. Sweet. And that is how you change the combination. All you simply do is turn it, lock it, switch it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.